It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Tahoe. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got our child lock buttons, auto express windows, and a programmable memory seat. This Tahoe comes with the premium Bose sound system. We've also got the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. And up above, we've got the power sunroof. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got interior light dials, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, the trailer brake, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, and power adjustable pedals. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the power sunroof buttons, the programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. Here we have GM's Infotainment Center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the current time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. The button down below moves that screen up, reveals a storage compartment and a USB plug-in. Below that, we've got our dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the rear climate control buttons. We've got heated front seats and some USB and power plug-ins. Inside the center console, it's quite deep and spacious, and we've got some USB and power plug-ins. Under the hood of the Tahoe, we've got a 5.3-liter V8 engine, 20-inch wheels, running boards. The rear windows are tinted. We've got roof rails up above. As we make our way to the very back, we've got the power liftgate. We can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back, we've got the tethers to fold that third row seating down. We've also got cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 8-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. We've also got a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. We also have a DVD player up above. On the back of the center console, we've got some USB and power plug-ins, as well as our rear audio buttons and a storage compartment. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders. To gain access to that third row, we simply fold the middle row seating down and pull the tether. In the third row, we've got 3 additional seats. We also have cup holders and a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe LT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.